Hey, what's up everybody? I am Tarantiman back with the new video on the best suitable broker along with their brokerage plans for you. If you are planning to start investing and trading in stock market, then this video is for you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. There are many more brokers and brokerage plans, but in this video I am going to talk about Angel Broking, which is the best one for you. Angel Broking was established in 1987. It is serving from more than 30 plus years and now it is a big family of 4,29,000 plus active clients. Angel Broking has recently shifted their brokerage from traditional to discount broking. The amazing fact is now you will get all the benefits of a full service broker in the cost of discount broking through Angel iTrade plan. Angel Broking is one of the best brokers as of now. The mobile trading application of Angel Broking is available in all leading app stores with installs of more than 1 million users. You can trade very easily from the mobile app like a pro, with the features like ARC, which enables you to get advisory recommendations for your wealth and portfolio creations. Let's take a look on the most important part, that is cost and charges. Angel iTrade Prime brokerage plan gives you full freedom to trade unlimited with the least minimum brokerage. For equity deliver means for holding stock for more than 1 day you have to pay zero brokerage. That means you are actually paying zero, no money to Angel Broking as a brokerage. And for intraday future and option commodity, you just need to pay 20 rupees per order flat brokerage. You don't need to pay more whatever your trade volume may be. Let's have a comparison with the traditional brokers and Angel Broking. Generally, brokers charge 0.50% for delivery and 0.05% for intraday. So if you bought shares with rupees 1 lakh, then normal stock broker will charge you 500 rupees in delivery. And in Angel Broking you just have to pay zero brokerage, means nothing to pay for delivery in intraday. If you bought shares worth rupees 1 lakh, then you have to pay 50 rupees, and like that for 2 lakh trade turnover you have to pay 100 rupees to normal brokers. But in Angel Broking you just need to pay flat 20 rupees per order, whether it is 1 lakh or whether it is 1 crore turnover. So this helped us to see that how much cost efficiency it would be to start working with Angel Broking discount brokerage plans to save your hard earned money. The maximum you save from brokerage will directly increase your profit margins in your trade positions. So it is important to look for brokers which with less brokerage and more services. Angel Broking can be your one-stop destination for all your needs. Government taxes, semi-charges, NFC charges, security transaction charges are all same wherever you open your account, so that charges will be same for all brokers. The account opening charges in Angel Broking is absolutely zero, that means it's free. Whereas if you go for any other discount brokers or full service brokers, then the average trading account opening charge is 300 to 600 rupees approximately. You can use the app and website for trading and investment. In case you want to call the trade, in that you need to pay 20 rupees per trade for the call and trade facilities along with the brokerage, which is the same as all other discount brokers. Some features of starting investment with Angel Broking are equity investments, mutual fund investments, commodities and currencies, IPO investing, bonds and NCDs, the advisories, and most importantly the physical offices. So now if you want to start your investment journey as a beginner, or if you want to shift your existing investment from other brokers to Angel Broking to save brokerage and want to get extra benefits, then you can simply click on the link in video's description and sign up through that. So that's it for this video. Hope you all understand all the benefits of Angel Broking. If you have any queries, then let me know through comments. Thank you all for watching and I will see you guys in next one.